Let's start with first understanding what is cloud computing and what value it brings to you as a user. Cloud computing is an ability to deliver resources on demand in a utility-like model. Let's elaborate on these points. First of all, cloud computing offers on-demand resource provisioning. Resources could be traditional things like server, network, and storage, to other higher level components like databases and application servers. Cloud computing makes it very easy to provision new machines and other resources, typically in minutes, regardless of their size. Cloud computing focuses on self-management capabilities. That way, the management overhead is reduced significantly and the user is in control. But wait, that does not mean that anyone can do anything. As a cloud administrator, you can use role-based access to control what your users can do. Cloud computing reduces infrastructure management. You no longer have to have annual maintenance contracts to take care of your hardware infrastructure. On top of that, several cloud computing vendors offer value-added managed services in which they take care of most of the infrastructure and even application components, and you as a user focus on just consumption of the service. Cloud computing makes it easy to stand up and manage high-end infrastructure services, such as load balancing. This makes it easy for application architects and deployment admins to try out different deployment models without having to wait for a long procurement. And when they are done, they can simply discard the infrastructure very easily. Cloud computing also provides scale-up and scale-down capabilities on demand, and this can be done very quickly in an automated way or in a scheduled manner as well. A hallmark of cloud computing is the pay-as-you-go model, which is also known as the utility model. You only pay for the usage and not for the underlying infrastructure. Last but not the least, cloud computing is continuously evolving. It is already a multi-billion-dollar industry, and leading cloud vendors like Amazon Web Services are constantly trying to introduce better pricing and technical capabilities.